welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about holiday must-haves and also gift ideas. So you can either get any of these products that I mentioned in this video for yourself or as a gift to someone that you care about. The first thing is something that has transformed my life, and I literally don't know what my Instagram would be without it, and it is the Upbra. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a full tour of how Upbra works, just in case you're new to my channel. If you've been with Ladycode for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of Upbra, but just in case you're new, I'm gonna show you guys how this magical bra works. So my absolute favorite and the one that I think is the best investment is the strapless Upbra. It does come with removable straps, but I like to wear it without the straps, and don't worry, it will never fall down. I don't know what they did, but it's some kind of magic and witchcraft that makes the bra stay up. So the way that it works is that there's these little notches on the bottom of the bra, and you can move these hooks in the padding to give you a more intense push-up. And then once you have your desired amount of cleavage, you just go ahead and hook these at where you want them to go. And the coolest thing about Upbra is that you can lift one side more than the other. So if you have uneven breasts, which is very common in women, then you can even them out by making one higher than the other, if you guys know what I'm saying. I like to have a natural lift, so I'm hooking mine right about here, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference before and after putting on the Upbra. So here's the before, and you can see that my boobs, they're great, but they're just a little bit saggy and they could definitely use a little bit of a lift. So now I just put on the Upbra, and you can see what a big difference this makes. This is so incredible. Everything is lifted, my cleavage looks amazing, and this is actually one of the more moderate options because you can definitely pull this in and up a lot more. So Upbra's technology is so incredible. It's definitely the strapless that stays up. They have amazing bathing suits. They also have some demi bras. They have t-shirt bras and matching underwears. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything that you need to know for Upbra down below so you guys can learn more about this incredible innovation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this Upbra on for the rest of the video because I'm totally feeling myself. But the next holiday gift idea slash must-have is one of these rings from the Ladycode shop. These are stackable CZ rings. They come in sizes from 4 all the way up to 9, so you can decorate any finger that you want to, and I definitely recommend getting a couple so that you can stack them or wear them on different fingers. So the next thing that is an absolute must-have, it's a little bit weird, but it's a toothbrush, and there's something so different about this toothbrush. This is Triple Bristle. It has 3 different speed settings, and it literally hugs your teeth and your gums so that you get the deepest clean ever. Ever since I started using this toothbrush, I feel like I'm getting a professional cleaning from the dentist every single night. The angles are absolutely perfect to get into your gums and get behind your teeth, in front of your teeth, around your teeth. And this might be a little bit weird, but I actually love using this on my retainers as well because I hate just scrubbing the top, the side, and the bottom and all around my retainer every single night. Like by the time I'm brushing my teeth, I'm so tired. So with this toothbrush, I just do one sweep around my retainer and everything is clean and ready to go. As you can tell, my teeth look amazing and they feel amazing, all thanks to Triple Bristle. So I'll go ahead and link all of the information about them down below. So the next thing is my favorite foundation. I'm loving it so much right now because it's super lightweight, but it gives you just enough coverage to wear every day or under makeup. It's the YSL Touche Eclat Glow All-in-One Foundation, and I like to use it as a BB cream for everyday use, and it also works amazing as your everyday foundation. I'm also loving from YSL the Slim Glow Matte Lipstick, and my favorite shade is 211. It's like this perfect brown 90s shade. Okay, so I have to plug my brand again. It's the Snatched palette. I worked so hard on this palette so that every girl can have everything that she needs for a full face of everyday makeup in one palette. All of these shades in the Snatched palette are made for all skin tones, and all of these shades can be used for anything on your face. So these pigments can be used as eyeshadow, blush, contour, highlight. Literally get creative with this palette. I love to use this shade to contour and bronze my face, and I use all of these as eyeshadows, and I use this halo shade to highlight, and this blush is like the most amazing blush for literally anyone. So if you're a busy girl on the go, or if you know someone who would love this palette, I definitely recommend Snatched. It has a mirror on it, and when I travel, this is the only palette that I take with me. I'm gonna go ahead and link a tutorial that I did down below so you can see how to use this palette, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Okay, so we've been wearing masks forever, and with masks come a lot of maskne, and I have been breaking out underneath my mask, and the only thing that helped me manage it was the Drunk Elephant TLC Glycolic Acid Serum. I use this about every other night, and I mix it with their virgin marula oil, and it makes my skin so smooth and flawless. It's like starting with a fresh, new layer of skin every single day. If you're on a budget and want to get something amazing for your friend or for yourself, I recommend getting a pair of Lisa lashes. They start at $9.99 and they can make all of the difference. I feel like every girl needs a good pair of lashes, and the best part is that you can wear these up to 20 times. Of course, if you're getting lashes, you also need a lash glue, and this is my Ladycode lash adhesive. And the best part about this lash glue is that it's infused with vitamins A, C, E, and E to condition your skin and lashes while you're wearing lashes. And it's also made without latex or formaldehyde, so it's pretty much hypoallergenic. Everyone that has used this lash glue so far has been in love with it, and I really hope you guys can try it too. So these are some of my holiday favorites slash must-haves slash gift ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.